What if you could make a full offer on a house and have the seller pay money to lower your mortgage interest rate? Sound too good to be true? Well, it's not. And it is definitely a strategy worth looking into for buyers, sellers, and agents. We all know that there is a lot of uncertainty and volatility in the market today. Inflation and rising interest rates are putting pressure on everyone. But before you give up the idea of buying or even selling your home right now, let's look at a strategy that can truly be a win-win for everyone. In this video, we're going to share how using a mortgage rate buy-down strategy can help your offer stand out in today's market. The goal of this strategy is to maximize affordability and submit offers that stand out from the competition. So, how does it work? Before we get into the details of submitting an offer using a buy-down strategy, let's briefly explain the basics of a buy-down. A buy-down is a way for a buyer to obtain a lower interest rate by paying discount points at closing. Discount points may also be referred to as mortgage points or prepaid interest points and are a one-time fee paid up front. Since mortgage rates are forecasted to continue rising in 2022, the buy-down method can be a useful tactic to allow you to buy a home and lock in the value and protect yourself against rate hikes. So, who can buy down a mortgage? Although typically it's the buyer who benefits from a buy down, the buyer isn't always the one who buys down a mortgage. Sellers can also be responsible for purchasing points to lower the buyer's interest rate. Let's look at how a buy down strategy works. As the housing market shifts, so can home prices. While we do not expect housing prices to rapidly decline, there may be a slowing in the market. Sellers do not want to lower the listing price of their home. So using a buy-down strategy can help them to maintain the listing price of the home while allowing buyers to be able to qualify for the home. It also allows agents to maintain their income. In today's market, it is truly a win-win-win. So let's talk about how a buy-down can work using seller concessions. A seller concession is used for the explicit purpose of buying down the buyer's interest rate. There are many benefits to using seller concessions or seller paid discount points. Let's look at the benefits in using this strategy. We'll begin by talking about the price reduced alternative that is often the first negotiation strategy that buyers consider. Instead of submitting an offer at the reduced price, you present your offer at the full price, and your original asking price offer will stand out from other offers. So how it works is you're offering the seller of the home a higher net from the sale of their home if they will help you, the buyer, reduce your interest rate and payment. They get a full price offer on their house. In turn, they only pay your discount points, so you get a lower interest rate. Now, let's look at how to write an offer using the buy-down strategy. Seller concessions designated as bona fide discount points should always be disclosed on the purchase contract. This statement should simply state that all monies are to be applied directly toward buying down the interest rate of the buyer. Now let's talk about presenting your offer to the seller agent. Now it's best to have your lender record a video to accompany your offer package that breaks down the return on investment or ROI to the seller and how accepting your offer is a win-win for both parties. Best case, you can get your lender on a call and the seller agent to make sure that they understand the offer. Bottom line is this: agents, sellers, and buyers should at least be aware of the buy-down option. If the numbers work and the seller is open to a little creativity, make it happen. Thanks for watching. Be sure to get with your lender to get your questions answered and to find out more about this incredible buy-down strategy to help buyers and sellers continue to stay in this changing market. Thanks for watching. We are here to answer your questions and help you through the process. You can reach us online at www.loansolutionsnow.com. We look forward to working with you.